On my life, you've got to trust me. Go to Boxer, stay with him. Don't tell anyone, just hide.
Ooh, nice little game of hide and seek. I love that. But I'll find you, Martha Jones. Been a long time since we saw each other. Must be, what, 100 trillion years?
Let them go, Saxon. Do you hear me? Let them go!
I'm here. Doctor.
Master.
I like it when you use my name.
You chose it. Psychiatrist field day.
As you chose yours. The man who makes people better. How sanctimonious is that?
So? Prime Minister, then?
I know. It's good, isn't it?
Who are those creatures? Because there's no such thing as the Toclophane. That's just a made-up name like the Bogeyman.
Do you remember all those fairy tales about the Toclophane when we were kids? Back home. Where is it, Doctor?
Gone.
How can Gallifrey be gone?
It burnt.
And the Time Lords?
Dead. And the Daleks. More or less. What happened to you?
The Time Lords only resurrected me because they knew I'd be the perfect warrior for a time war. I was there when the Dalek Emperor took control of the Cruciform. I saw it. I ran. I ran so far. Made myself human so they would never find me. Because I was so scared.
I know.
All of them? But not you, which must mean...
I was the only one who could end it. And I tried, I tried everything.
What did it feel like, though? Two almighty civilizations burning. Oh, tell me, how did that feel?
Stop it!
You must have been like God.
I've been alone ever since. But not anymore. Don't you see, all we've got is each other.
Are you asking me out on a date?
You can stop this right now. We can leave this planet. We can fight across the constellations if that's what you want, but not on Earth.
Too late.
Why do you say that?
The drumming. Can't you hear it? I thought it would stop. It never does. Never, ever stops. Inside my head. The drumming, Doctor, the constant drumming.
I could help you. Please, let me help.
It's everywhere. Listen, listen, listen. Here come the drums. Here come the drums. What have you done?
Tell me how you've done this. What are those creatures? Tell me!
Oh, look, you're on TV.
Stop it! Answer me!
No, really, you're on telly. You and your little band. Which, by the way, is ticking every demographic box, so congratulations on that. Well, there you are.
As the captain. They are known to be armed and extremely dangerous.
You're public enemies number 1, 2, and 3. Oh, and you can tell Handsome Jack that I've sent his little gang off on a wild goose chase to the Himalayas, so he won't be getting any help from them. Now go on, off you go. Why not start by turning to the right?
You can see us.
Oh, you public menace. Better start running. Go on. Run.
He's got control of everything.
What do we do?
We've got nowhere to go.
Doctor, what do we do?
Run, Doctor. Run for your life.
We're on.